Hello Honors Pre-Calc students. We're going to take a look at distance number 3. So we want to find the point on y equals 4 minus x squared that is closest to this point of 5, 2. So here's just a quick sketch. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4. So we know the parabola opens down and this point is 2. And the other x-intercept's negative 2, and then we have the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. We want to find the minimum distance from that red dot, which is 5, 2, to the green curve. So in order to find the distance, we need to remember the distance formula. So the distance between 2 points is x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. So we know one of our points is 5, 2, and then our other point is x, y, but the y value is 4 minus x squared. So we really have 2 points here, the point 5, 2 and the point x, y, and we know from this highlighted portion that y is 4 minus x squared. So we're going to use the distance formula. So our function d is equal to x2, so I'll say x minus 5 squared, plus y2, so that'll be 4 minus x squared minus 2, that quantity squared. Doing a little simplifying, we get the square root of x minus 5 squared plus 2 minus x squared squared. And we want to find the minimum distance here. So we're going to go to our graphing calculator again and type in this green highlighted function. So pulling out the calculator, I already typed it in. I like to go zoom 6, and we can see the minimum is right there. So G solve on the Casio, minimum on the TI. First curve here, lower bound, hit enter, move over, and when you do that, you go to the right, you hit enter. Guess I like to hit enter again. So there's the minimum 1.718, and the y value is 3.417. So going back to this problem, what is the minimum distance? So the minimum distance, that was the y value of the minimum. So that was approximately 3.417, and it occurs when the value of x, so it occurs when at where, so the value of x was around 1.7188, and if you plug that 1.7188 back into 4 minus x squared, you'll get the y coordinates. So I'm going to go back here, since I just have the value of x stored, so 4 minus x squared is 1.405. Hopefully I did the calculation right. So 1.045. So I'm going to show you visually kind of what that means. I did this on decimal, so let me scroll up a little bit. I thought I did. Actually, it's on a different piece of paper here. So here's the visual of this. So we wanted to find the minimum distance from 5, 2 to the parabola, and that was our answer. So this would be the minimum distance here. So that red line is the distance, which is around 3.417. So I'm hoping that this helps you understand the distance problem number 3.